Hello, welcome to another of my video about chemistry. Today I'm gonna remove some sellotape glue with a bit of isopropanol. You can see here on the blade it contains quite a lot of glue. On this side it's practically clean. If you can see the reflection clearly from the light bulb, but this side pretty rough. Here you can see all the sellotape glue covered. So this is a very blunt one, so it's fine for me to handle. And I'm gonna first get a bit of isopropanol. Yep. And then you basically just wipe it. How simple is that? With the other side, wipe it till it's clean. You can see the scratch marks, but now this becomes perfectly clean, including we can even clean this side a little bit more. Now it becomes absolute mirror shine. So that's it, how you clean it, the sellotape mess with a bit of isopropanol. And hope you like it, and I will see you next time.